Want to know how to create an advanced intro for YouTube videos? Advanced intros or intro is a great way to introduce yourself and your brand at the beginning of your YouTube video. Also, a great intro will keep you watching the video for a long time. Creating an intro for a YouTube channel is easy. It takes less than 3 to 4 minutes to get a high-quality introductory video. Let's see how to use, for example, Renderforest to create a YouTube intro. 1. Browse the Space library of video intro templates. 2. Click the Create Now button below the template description. 3. Upload or create a logo, write text, select music and click the Preview button. 4. Get the YouTube introductory video in a couple of minutes. If you don't have a logo, or if you need a new logo for a great intro, you can use the online logo maker tools to create your logo for graphic design inspiration. Here are the best templates for creating great YouTube intros inside the Renderforest. 1. Lightning Strike logo revealed. Add an energetic touch to your logo with the lightning strike logo revealed to make it look even more attractive. Designed specifically for those who need something artistic and unique. Simply upload your logo, select a spectacular sound effect and you'll get a professional logo in minutes. 2. Light Trail logo. An attractive solution with interlocking light trails is here to create a logo and give it a sharp look. An animated glowing trail of light forms and displays the logo, emphasizing all its glory. Use the Traces of Light logo template to create intros, endings, presentation referrals, corporate promotions, and more. 3. Smoke Trail logo. Create the perfect color boom for your brand. The smoke trail logo makes the logo look bright and attracts the viewer's attention with its unique charm. Choose a color theme and get a professional 10-second video in minutes. 4. Metallic cube logo revealed. Impress your viewers with powerful and realistic 3D animations. Upload your own logo and get a professional logo animation within a minute. 5. Cybercube logo revealed. Get the attention of the tech generation with futuristic logo animations. Upload your own logo to get professional animations logo in just a few minutes. Great for video game channels, company presentations, YouTube channel introductions, TV commercials and more. Cybercube logo reveal is the perfect choice to attract you to the modern world. 6. Glitter powder logo revealed. Want something mysterious and magical? Wow! Your viewers will come to believe in the power of your brand with a very attractive and compelling glitter powder logo beer. Upload your own logo and get a professional animation logo within minutes. Great for commercials, promotions, video intros and outros. Get extraordinary results with glitter dust logo reveal. 7. Enigmatic smoke logo reveal. Create stunning logo animations to impress your audience with the beauty and mystery of your brand. Highlight the logo with the enigmatic smoke logo reveal. 8. Neon power logo. Create a stylish neon power logo template. With a cool neon feel and a high contrast look, this template is perfect for presentations, online channels, referrals and more. Create the logo animation you need and get a whole new intro to YouTube videos. 9. Ray logo. Bring your logo to life by energizing your logo with these fast, glitchy streaks of light. Upload your logo and get great animations in minutes. Great for YouTube channels, presentation intros and outros, corporate projects and more. It's time to renew your brand identity. 10. Minimalist logo revealed. Simplicity is the glory of expression. Minimalist logo display is a simple yet great way to display your company logo. Feel the power of simplicity and make your brand shine with charm. Please watch the next video if you want to learn more. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like to get more update.